Dear students, today we are going to solve question number 14. Here the question is 1 plus x squared dy by dx plus 2 times of xy is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x squared, and it is given that y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 1. X na 1 over kanda y ki value is 0 when in a period cause 2013 gi 4 marks the hang. First write the given equation 1 plus x squared dy by dx plus 2 times of xy is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x squared, and then write the linear equation in standard form. Standard form the is equal dy by dx plus sig 1 plus x squared in a divide out 1. 2 times of xy divided by 1 plus x squared is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x squared and x squared. Then write the values of p and q. Here p is equal to p se nangi y ga laiminariba function se 2x divided by 1 plus x squared, and q is the function of x in the right hand side, 1 divided by 1 plus x squared and square. Next, find integrating factor. Integrating factor is given by e to the power integration of p dx is equal to e to the power nangi p gi value iro 2x divided by 1 plus x squared and dx tare ko. Since the derivative of denominator nangi denominator 1 plus x squared gi derivative se mathakta lairiba 2x siga manare, adu the integration of this function will be equal to log hairaga nangi denominator 1 plus x squared se irase, and cancelling e and log e ga log ka cancel tawraba matungda nangi integrating factor se 1 plus x squared have se phange ko. And so the solution of the equation is given by kaigi formula na pigani y into integrating factor is equal to integration of the product of q and integrating factor with respect to x plus c. Do you see value ma'am se hapase ko 1 plus y into 1 plus x squared integration of q, 1 divided by 1 plus x squared and square into integrating factor 1 plus x squared. Isangi integrating factor se 1 plus x squared dx ko plus c, 1 plus x squared cancel tawre 1 divided by 1 plus x squared dx ama pange. Then what is the integral of this function? 1 divided by 1 plus x squared ki integral se tan inverse of x pange ko. Integral or primitive or antiderivative is tan inverse of x plus c. Equation number 1, which is the general equation of the given equation. Nangsinangi general solution do neba. Adidi substituting matang na kay hapkani y ki value se 0, x ki value se 1 half se ko. Initial condition kawe. By applying the given initial condition, we have to find the value of this c. So substituting y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 in equation number 1, we get 0, 1. 1 square is equal to 1 and tan inverse of x 1 half ko c. 0 ga 1 ga multiply toward the 0 and tan inverse of 1 ki value se pi by 4 fange plus c. C equation is solved to ko. By solving this equation, we get the value of c. Nang c ki value se kya ga manare minus pi by 4 tare ko. Now putting c is equal to minus pi by 4 in equation number 1. Equation 1 the half se. Nang c ki value se 1 the half se ko. C is equal to minus pi by 4 se equation 1 the half pe. Nang equation 1 se kamaina legi haradi y into 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse of x plus c neba. C ki value se minus pi by 4 na sila se y into 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse of x minus pi by 4, which is the particular solution of the given equation. Nangi particular solution ore. Next year question kari yang si ko. Question number 1 si important question ne. The given solve the given differential equation, that is 1 plus x squared dy by dx plus y minus e to the power tan inverse of x is equal to 0. Given that y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. 2018-2010 the 4 marks the hangbo question ni ko. Nang naahanba da nangi equation siyan ito se 1 plus x squared dy by dx plus y minus e to the power tan inverse of x is equal to 0. And 1 plus x squared dy by dx the yariba function of x transpose tawre e to the power tan inverse of x tare ko. And next we should divide both sides of the equation by 1 plus x squared. 1 plus x squared sinamuk divide tawthoe dy by dx plus y by 1 plus x squared is equal to e to the power tan inverse of x divided by 1 plus x squared. Nangi linear equation se standard form the thamgadabane dy by dx plus py is equal to q sigi form the laknaba koina anka hottoini ko dy by dx plus y divided by 1 plus x square is equal to e to the power 10 inverse of x divided by 1 plus x square sitare. Then we have to write the values of p and q. P is the function of x involving with this variable y, 1 divided by 1 plus x square, and the q is the function of x or constant in right hand side, e to the power 10 inverse of x divided by 1 plus x square. P की value fange, q की value fange ko. Then find integrating factor. Integrating factor is given by e to the power integration of p dx, e to the power integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x square and dx tare, e to the power 1 by 1 plus x square d 10 inverse of x y gre ko sinangi integrating factor ne. And therefore the solution of the equation is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Sida nang integrating factor की value hapkani, y की value hapkani ko ani se hapasi. Now substituting the values of integrating factor and q in this equation, we get y into e to the power 10 inverse of x is equal to integration of e to the power 10 inverse of x divided by 1 plus x square and e to the power 10 inverse of x dx plus c. Si fange ko e to the power 10 inverse of x and e to the power 10 inverse of x ani se plus taunaradi base up manare power plus taurani e to the power 2 times of 10 inverse of x tare ko. Si khoina substitution method apply tauraga integration logani. Now putting 2 times of 10 inverse of x kaiga manahalle t ga ko, and the derivative of this function will be equal to 2 divided by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. Ste 2 yaude ko somna kana 2 yaudabanina 2 se nang left gi right ta puras dx divided by 1 plus x square is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Si phange ko dx divided by 1 plus x square se 1 by 2 dt sina sentare. And therefore y into e to the power 10 inverse of x is equal to integration of e to the power 2 10 inverse of t na sila si ko aduga 1 by dx divided by 1 plus x square sina 1 by 2 dt na sintare. Jadi 1 by 2 e to the power t plus kay hape c hape ko, where c is the constant of integration. Y e to the power 10 inverse of x is equal to 1 by 2. Stay with t se kay na silam gani t की value से 2 times of 10 inverse of x sinasilamani ko plus c hape c बाउद नंग equation number क्या थारनी equation number 1 thare ko. Hauji initial condition apply tose substituting y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 0 in equation number 1, we get 1 into e to the power 10 inverse of 0 and 1 by 2 e to the power 10 inverse of som the lak se kai lakani sta 2 mayawe ko 2 10 inverse of 0 plus c lai e to the power 10 inverse of 0 d e to the power 0 chale 1 by 2 sisu e to the power 0 plus c tare ko. Since e to the power not is equal to 1 1 by 2 1 laire plus c c 1 by 2 se transpose tawra c is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 khaidok na radi 1 by 2 fange ko. Now putting the value of this value c in equation number kya da hapkani 1 da hape ko y e to the power 10 inverse of x is equal to 1 by 2 e to the power 2 10 inverse of x plus 1 by 2 sumaina nangi y की value sa e to the power 10 inverse of x ama laijare duga 1 by 2 e to the power 2 10 inverse of x plus 1 by 2, which is the particular solution of the given differential equation. Nangi given differential equation dugi particular solution orane. Next question, question number 2. Your question 2006 da angba question ni ko. The given differential equation is dy by dx plus 2y is equal to e to the power minus x. Sidi nang standard form da laire. Write the values of p and q. P is equal to 2 and q is equal to e to the power minus x. Then find integrating factor. Integrating factor is given by e to the power integration of p dx. E to the power p 2 times of dx tare ko, which is equal to e to the power 2 si the constant oi banina dx the integration laura dx am phangani ba. Integrating factor say e to the power 2x tare ko, and therefore the solution of the equation is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c, y into e to the power 2x, which is equal to integration of e to the power minus x e to the power 2x dx plus c tare ko. Nang sina q gi value ni aduga sina integrating factor ni base up manare do define the sum of its power minus x plus 2x dx plus c minus x ka 2x ka plus tawradi x la ko do c fangani y into e to the power 2x aduga nangi right hand side na integration of e to the power x e kai tani habakanda e to the power x dum tare ko plus c, where c is the constant of integration, which is the general solution of the given differential equation. Nangi differential equation do general solution neba. Nangi faso the linear differential equation se atopa form amasu lai ko kamaina tawduino habise yengaseo a differential equation of the form dx by dy plus px is equal to q, where capital P and Q are functions of y or the constant, is also known as the first order linear differential equation. Mamang the takpa nangi first order linear differential equation sina dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Sigi equation sini ko. Hausik o ribat nangi differential equation sina dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Dx by dy plus px the y la adis the y la kadab the x la adis the x sigi mong the label si su kai kaure first of the linear differential equation kaure ko the differential equation of the form dx by dy plus px is equal to q, where p and q are functions of y or constant. Mamang the x over say handak na y gi function over natraga constant or aniba is also known as the first of the linear differential equation. Differential equation kawi ko si kamay solve tawgani hai si yengase. Hausiki form the layragadi nangi solution se kaina pigani. Solution of the differential equation is given by x into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dy plus c. Sina pini ko x thamani integrating factor thamani q thamani integrating factor dy thamani plus c, and integrating factor is given by e to the power integration of p dy. P dx have mahuta p dy irani ko. Question number 1 solve dx by dy plus x tan y is equal to cos y tare. P value of p se sigi tan y adi x ka laiminaba do ain laktuini ko. Functions of y or the constant involving with this variable x is equal to p. P is equal to tan y, and the q is the functions of y or constant in right hand side cos y silorani. Integrating factor is given by e to the power integration of p dy, e to the power tan y and dy. And what is the integral of tan y? Integral of tan y se log sec y tare ko cancelling e and log e ga log ka cancel tawraga sec y have se phangeba. Sec y se nangi integrating factor ni. Therefore the solution of this equation is given by nangi solution se kaina pirani. Nangi solution se x into integrating factor. And the solution of the equation is given by x into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dy plus c. Nangi solution of the equation se sigi equation na pire ko nang x0 integrating factor iro sec y se irasi, and integration of q value of q se ngasai kai ga managre q is equal to cos y thame ko, and find integrating factor. Integrating factor is sec y and dy plus c tare cos y, and sec y gi reciprocal iro 1 by cos y and dy plus c fange ko. Cos cancel already dy fange plus c, and the integration of this dy is equal to y plus c, and so the equation is x into sec y is equal to y plus c have equation am fange, which is the general solution of the given differential equation dx by dy plus x tan y is equal to cos y. Sigi mong the letter magadi p iro q irani integrating factor puthoni solution irani ko. The integrating factor hapo q hapo cos y ga sec y ga stanang angka holasi nang dy dang phange ko integration laure y plus c sumai phangani ba. Sigi mong da khoina atopa question myam hot pangamani ko. Last question, question number 2. Y dx by dy plus x is equal to y. Ito nangon the equation ang pire ko. Sige equation se mugiyang si. Sige question number 1 equation se 2016 the 4 marks the hangba question ni ko. Next question, question number 2. Y dx by dy plus x is equal to y. Si piramba matamda nang ihana tawdurise nangi equation se standard form the labra leitabra na check toro. Y dx by dy plus x is equal to y. So y am henjeliko adu koina y divide to dividing both sides of this equation by y. We have dx by dy plus x by y is equal to y by y 1 tare ko. P, value of P is equal to 1 by y, Q is equal to 1 tare. Then find integrating factor, which is given by e to the power integration of P dy, e to the power P 1 by y dy, and derivative or antiderivative or integral of 1 by y is equal to e to the power log y. Sigi e siga log siga cancel already y fange ko. Y is the integrating factor of the equation, and then write the solution of the equation. The solution of the equation is given by x into integrating factor, which is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dy plus c. Sitare nangi x le ko integrating factor iro y ire integration of q की value से कहीं का मान रही what is the value of q is equal to 1 and integrating factor y थमे को dy अनि सिगी product होलो 1 का y का product हो तारगा dy तारे को y की power से 1 ने and so the integral of y to the power 1 is given by y to the power 2 divided by 2 plus c and xy is equal to y square divided by 2 plus c. Sinangi kanagi equation tare, which is the general solution of the given differential equation y dx by dy plus x is equal to y. The piriba nangi given differential equation dugi solution orani. For today, let's end here.